me! Oh no! Ah! Ah! Well then, if you just wait a second, I can get all dressed. Just gotta get my hat on. And I am back. I'm back from the past. Alright, so here's the deal. I went to the chiropractor today and I got some tests done. The first thing he asked me to do was really stupid. I mean, he asked me to bend over and touch my toes. So I go like this and I can't reach my socks even. And then he says, try harder. So I bend over and touch my socks and I hurt myself. And then he says there's something wrong with me. So he hooks a machine up to me and he tells me to stand normally. So I'm standing normally and he's like, okay, good. Now stand up against the wall with your heels touching like this. And then when I was like this, he was like, no, not like that, like this. I was like, make up your mind. First you tell me to stand normally. Now you're asking me to stand like this. And then you tell me not to stand like this. Tell me to stand like this. It's like, ugh, so stupid. Anyways, so it turns out that my left hip isn't as good as my right hip. So I had to get some x-rays done. I don't know what happened with the x-rays, but I have another appointment tomorrow morning. Chiropractor. I'm pretty excited. I hope I get aqua therapy. It's when you get to go into whirlpools and like hot tubs and saunas and stuff, and it fixes you. And I really want that to happen. I'm really excited. What's this? Oh, sick! I found my Yu-Gi-Oh cards. These are my ultra rare ones. Look, look. I have Obelisk the Tormentor. See him? I have the Gate Guardian. Damn it! Gate Guardian. See him? I have Vampire Genesis. I have like so many good cards. I have like, these are all super rare cards. They all have golden lighting and they're all holographic. And I'm thinking of selling them on eBay. So if you really want them, some of these cards you can only get in China. So I'm looking through them and look for another good card to show you guys. The Hellflame Emperor and Master Dragon Knight. He does 5,000 attack and 5,000 defense. So if any of you are Yu-Gi-Oh fans and want to buy good cards, I might be selling them on YouTube soon. Gonna put them back. Anyway, so see this drum? Oh wait, I already showed you it. 2, 3, or 4 episodes ago, I don't know. Do you want to hear those jokes again? Alright, I'm going to tell you the best one. What happened when SpongeBob left his library book outside in the tent, outside the tent overnight? In the morning, it was overdue! Get it? If you don't get it, you're stupid. I'm thinking of doing something that's crazy. From now on, I'm not going to have my hats in any of the episodes. It's just going to be like this. Yes, I have cool hair, right? Nice curly hair. And for some of my friends, you might actually know who I am now. Alright, that's all I'm going to show you for today. This is going to end at 300 seconds, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.